you're able to access capital in this way through the infinite banking concept, your outcomes are going to be greater than doing exactly the same thing here, where either you spend cash that you've saved up or you access someone else's pile of money. What's the one thing you could do differently to change your outcomes financially? Today, I'm going to try and answer that for you. The one thing you could do, and I'm going to give you a clue, it's how you could turn your life around by being the bank. You go, what? What's that about the bank? Like, what's this got to do with banking? Well, I'm going to tell you that banking is one of the most important industries in the world. Whether you like it or not, banks and banking are important. So why not control the banking function as it relates to your needs? And if you can do that, I'm going to tell you this one little secret, that if you can control the banking function as it relates to your needs, everything that you do financially will be enhanced. That's right, everything. You might be asking, well, what do you mean by that? Here at Ascendant, we teach people the infinite banking concept. And the infinite banking concept is one of the most powerful things you can do as a Canadian to change your outcomes. Now, we've got some great content on this channel. I'm just going to encourage you to watch it because you can learn all about how controlling the banking function, that one thing you could do differently, could really make a difference for you financially. Now, in the links, you're going to find a link to what we call watchibc.com. That's right, watchibc.com. And if you watch that particular training, it'll give you a great understanding of how this concept works and how it'd make a difference. Because what is it all about and how would it make a difference? Well, it's about learning how to control the banking function as it relates to your needs. So you'll be taught that if you build a pile of money that you have access to and that you control compared to someone else that's doing the same thing, there's lots of great things that people are doing out there to enhance your outcomes financially. So if you think about something that you're doing and you take capital, whether you access this capital from someone else through a loan, or whether you build that capital up as savings somewhere and then you use it, you are either paying interest to someone else for the use of their money, or you're giving up the opportunity for that savings that you built up to do anything for you for the rest of your life. So with the infinite banking concept, what changes? Well, what changes is you save up money just like you would over in this other situation. You save money and you put it into your own warehouse. Yes, we use a very specific product for that because it's the best product that we have found to do this with. No other reason. It's the best product. You can bank with a lot of different tools, but we found this tool, and it just happens to be dividend paying whole life insurance. And it allows you to do private banking. And we will get into explaining all the nuances of that, what it looks like and why you would do it. Now, some people have problems with dividend paying whole life insurance, and I'm telling you, there's a lot of benefits, a lot of living benefits. And then one thing that allows you to do is build up this pool. And as you access money, unlike when you take it out of your savings fund, as you access money, you haven't interrupted the growth of your money. It keeps on growing. And therein is the secret. Your money keeps on growing. Even though you've leveraged it, you've accessed that value through a policy loan. That's the way we teach you. You haven't stopped the growth of it. So if you compare, let's just say, whatever else you're doing financially, everything else is equal. and yet you're able to access capital in this way through the infinite banking concept, your outcomes are going to be greater than doing exactly the same thing here, where either you spend cash that you've saved up or you access someone else's pile of money. Yeah, there's a lot of pieces to learn about how you could do this one thing to change your outcome financially and how to turn around your life by being the bank. And that's why I'm going to encourage you. Watch more videos on our channel. There's just tons of great information. And go follow that link that you'll see here to the watchibc.com. That'll be a great way for you to educate yourself.